In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take quizzes and exams in Coursera. Whether you're a student looking to complete a course or someone coming back to finish off some loose ends, this guide will walk you through the essential steps to accessing and completing your assessments. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to coursera.org. Once you're there, simply log into your account using your credentials. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's an option to reset it easily. Logging in is straightforward, and from here you'll be able to see all the courses you're enrolled in. After logging in, look towards the upper right portion of the screen where you'll find the My Learning tab. Click on this and it will direct you to a page showcasing all your current courses. This is your central hub for everything you're learning, providing a clear overview of what's in progress, completed, and upcoming. Now, you'll need to select the course for which you want to take a quiz or an exam. Simply browse through the list of your courses until you find the one you're interested in. Clicking on the course title will take you to its main dashboard. This page includes all the materials, assignments, and assessments specific to that course. Once you're on your chosen course page, scroll down until you find the section for quizzes and exams. It might be under course materials or a weekly module, depending on how the course is structured. Oftentimes, there are designated sections like Week 1 quiz or final exam, making it easier to pinpoint the assessment you need to take. When you've found the quiz or exam you're looking for, click on it. You will generally see an option prompting you to start if you're beginning for the first time, or resume if you've previously started the quiz and are returning to complete it. Initiating the quiz or exam is as simple as clicking this button. No fuss, no hassle. As you're taking your quiz or exam, ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid disruptions. Some quizzes may have time limits, so keep an eye on the clock. It's also a good idea to read each question carefully and check your answers before submitting, since many quizzes allow only one submission. If it's an open book exam, make sure you have your notes and relevant resources at hand. And there you have it. Following these steps will ensure you're well prepared and ready to tackle any quiz or exam on Coursera with confidence. Remember, preparation right from logging in to reviewing your answers is key to ensuring you succeed. Happy learning!